झकास।
ऐसी चमक, ऐसी सफेदी हो जहां, समझिए झकास है वहां। न पीलापन न दाग, न कोई निशान, कैसे हो झकास है
झकास चमक, झकास सफेदी, झकास नील से। झकास।
कपड़े की जान निकाल दी पर सफेदी फिर भी ना आई। अब और नहीं, अपनाइए घड़ी डिटर्जेंट केक।
इस्तेमाल करें फिर विश्वास करें।
Welcome back to Roving Report. Education is a must for any civilized and developed society. But in Northeast India, where militant activities are a hindrance for everyone, some schools in the Northeast are taking up new initiatives in their curriculum, which focus on practical approach rather than the conventional theoretical methods. A report.
The success of the education system in any state depends on a variety of factors. The first requirement is the peace of mind of students that allows them to focus on studies. Militant activities and disturbances such as shutdowns and strikes that are frequently observed in some states of Northeast prevent students from even going to schools.
Anywhere for imparting education, the peace situation is required. And if the surroundings and that is our way of life, if it is disturbed, especially we will find the children community who are the learners, who are the future generation, is not it? They used to affect.
Students in Nagaland are looking for such a change that encourages teaching that focuses on the practical aspects as well. Extracurricular activities such as science fairs, general knowledge, sports, music and vocational courses will help them hone their talents.
NBSC has recently introduced many methods of teaching like CCE, Comprehensive Education System. This activity-based education is more child-friendly and joyful because they involve themselves practically.
It will be very nice for students to learn more activities because there is lack of activities in schools. Comparing to other schools, they learn more. They have more of activities which make them more efficient means to study.
A school in Guwahati, Assam Jatiya Vidyalay, which is under the Board of Secondary Education, Government of Assam, has taken a revolutionary step by implementing a new policy where the students no longer need textbooks unless necessary. Students are happy to get rid of heavy school bags and are now more attentive to their teachers' lectures.
अभी जब हम किताब नहीं लाते तो पहले हमें खुद प्रिपेयर करना पड़ता है और टीचर्स को भी प्रिपेयर करने पड़ते हैं, तो इसके लिए मेरे हिसाब से तो क्लास में कंसंट्रेशन भी अपने आप बढ़ गया है.
The notable change seen after the implementation of the policy is the increase in percentage of those passing the annual examination. In 2008, 3% students failed their examination, while only 2.2% failed in the following year. The present trend of Northeast students flocking to other parts of India to pursue their studies will change if peace and normalcy return to the region.
With peace gradually returning to Assam, trade and commerce activities have gained momentum. Machinery Mart 2010, a CII initiative that will benefit the local entrepreneurs by making them aware of new technological innovations and techniques of production and packaging of goods, was recently organized in Guwahati. We have a report.
Recently, Confederation of Indian Industry organized first Machinery Mart 2010 Expo at Maniram Devan Trade Center in Guwahati. The expo showcased latest machinery and technology required in different industries.
The galaxies of the industry in India have congregated first ever time. So many people, the business leaders have congregated in one place, and they are all saying that they are coming out of choice, that it is the place where the possibilities and potentials are there, and this is the place this is a state which is going to grow in a very big way in the next few years to come.
We thank CII who has organized such a beautiful. It is for the first time in Northeast region, and we hope that it will be a regular one. 10% of the budget allocation of union budget is also for Northeast region. So there is lot of potential. Only we have to grab that thing.
The expo provided information to the local entrepreneurs about the latest machinery available for various industries like engineering, textiles and handlooms, agro and food processing, and infrastructure. Many companies like JC Bamford Excavators Limited or JCB showcased their newly designed excavators and other products at the expo.
ग्रोथ चार्ट देखूं तो यहाँ पे रोड इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर के काम बहुत हैं और टी अपरूटिंग के काम हैं, बॉर्डर रोड के काम हैं, DGBR के काम हैं। अगर पूरा इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर में हम लोग काम देखें तो नॉर्थ ईस्ट में सबसे ज़्यादा काम है आज के डेट में।
Around 50 companies from across the country and abroad participated in the event.
Moving on, recently a festival on intercultural dialogue between Northeast India and Southeast Asia was held in New Delhi and across Northeast states of India as goodwill gesture between the participating countries to understand and appreciate the cultural commonality and affinity that exists with these countries.
The final leg of the month-long festival, which concluded with a 4-day symposium cum cultural show in New Delhi, was aimed at strengthening ties that India and its South Asian neighbours share. Organised by Indira Gandhi National Centre for Arts, New Delhi, in association with North East Zone Cultural Centre and Srimanta Sankaradeva Kalakshetra, the event was appreciated and liked by visitors who turned up in sizable numbers.
It is, we consider it something different area, not belongs to India, but more and more we arrange such type of program. So they will be belongingness, so you will feel that they are also part and parcel of India.
Here you find ensemble of all the northeast states, starting from the folk dances, their costumes, their food and their people. A lot of people also from northeast are here. So we are enjoying it.
Other attractions of the event were food stalls of northeast cuisines, craft stalls and exhibition of the cultural landscape of the region. Dance troupes from Thailand, Cambodia, Bali, Java and 8 troupes from northeast states showcased their skills. More than 150 artists participated in the festival.
हम लोग का डांस और उन लोग की डांस है ना, वो लोग हमको सिखाता है और एक साथ उन लोगों की डांस को सीखने के लिए सीखने मिला हमको और हमारा भी वो लोग सीखता है। इससे चेंजिंग वो हमारा कल्चर भी जान गया, वो हम उसका कल्चर भी हम लोग जान गए।
Such events provide an opportunity to people in Delhi to sample the cultural wealth of the northeast region.
With that, we have come to the end of this episode of Roving Report. Do send in your feedback and suggestions to roving@ani.com. Goodbye and see you again next week.
रोविंग रिपोर्ट के प्रायोजक थे आयुर शैम्पू, वीनस सोप, झकास नील और खड़ी डिटर्जेंट केक।